Did you like my song?
Is that a real song?
Athletic Greens, we love you so. Please sponsor us. This video is not sponsored.
I'm sure they want no association with that song, don't worry.
I'll write your theme song.
Get cleaning.
Good morning. Last morning here in Maui. Sorry, let me turn the sink off here. We have quite the mess in front of our eyes. Somehow we have to pack it all up.
It's kind of, it's looking like it's an insurmountable task at the moment, meaning difficult to accomplish.
Camera gear. I mean, that entire table is hats and camera gear.
Guys, I'm not even worried about that. We have tons of hats, camera gear, but I mean, back here we have the treats from the week. I don't even know where any of that's gonna go.
In my belly.
Yeah, Chelle's gonna fit it all in her roll top. I have no doubt about that.
I'm forcing it.
But it's that time of the day. We gotta get packed up. We're leaving today, but we don't leave until tonight. So we actually have a full day ahead of us to get stuff done, go have a little bit of fun, but also take care of this mess that we have in here, and we only have an hour to do it. So let's get started. Guys, we have this dryer in our room. It looks like a very nice dryer, but for whatever reason, when you push start, it beeps twice at me, and it's really annoying me. But we found out online, if you do your finger like this, boom!
Flat fingers.
You gotta do the flat finger, not the pointy finger. It's so weird. Guys, we're just packing up here, obviously, and I was going to pack my riding gloves. These things are hammered from the road to Hana.
And years of use.
That is true. Guys, I bought these gloves when I bought my Harley Davidson 10 years ago, and they have been my favorite things ever. You've probably seen these pop up in videos all the time when we ride the motorcycle. I brought them out here to ride with on the road to Hana, and we got so soaked. I think there was a yellow dye or something in these, because they previously hadn't gotten extremely soaked like they did on that trip, but they turned my hands straight yellow. Like, they still have some remnants of yellow on them. If you go watch the end of that video, when I'm kind of wrapping up the ride, you can see my hands. They're so yellow. If you're wondering why that was, it's because of these bad boys just all over. Anyways, I kind of rinsed them out, and now they're as stiff as can be. They're coming home with me. I will never get rid of these things. They just have so many memories packed into them, and now one more with the road to Hana. But this one, sadly, he's getting a lot of holes in him now. All those fingertips. All of these holes in this gloves were created just on the road to Hana. I think getting wet, it just wore it straight through. Kind of sad. We did it.
We're packed and ready to go, even though our flight's not for a lot of hours.
10 hours.
That's okay though, we have a lot of stuff that we're hoping to go do today. We are gonna go grab some food right now, but we've gotta check these in with the people downstairs, cause we ain't lugging all that around all day.
Especially not on the motorcycle.
No, not gonna fit. We like attach it to the motorcycle and the wheels just
That poor bike, he's been the best. We're gonna ride him one last time. We're actually gonna go to a breakfast place, brunch place that we've been anticipating the entire trip. We're finally making it happen here on the last day. And then we're gonna go see some sites that we have not been able to fit in yet. So today's gonna be awesome. Let's get to it.
How you feeling, babe?
I'm sad. I'm gonna miss this guy.
Sad to give it up. We're heading to go get some breakfast at the Kihei Cafe, which we have heard is phenomenal. Hopefully we can even get in. Every time we've tried to go there, it's been a no-go. So hopefully we can get in. We'll find out. trying to go. And they better let us in. Okay, I know what I want.
Go.
You want the banana mac nut
French
pancakes.
toast.
Oh, wait.
French toast is better. You can have pancakes at IHOP.
Listen to the man, listen to him.
Well, I'm gonna listen to you then.
And it's good. And then ask for a coconut syrup out there.
Okay.
Okay, next.
And then we want the eggs Benny Florentine.
Poached medium?
Yes,
Okay.
kind of, you know, runny.
Yeah, the whites will be a little firm, but the yellow will be running.
That's what we want.
Next.
And then chicken and waffles.
Chicken waffles, you did a good job. Is that it for you?
That's it for us.
That's for us too, yeah.
Alrighty, Michelle.
Not on the house today?
Not
or-
today.
Give the man money. We all got a lot. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so good.
Oh.
Yeah, Ryler's is like.
Can we get some coconut syrup? Can we get a couple of them? One of my eggs, Benny.
I'm asking.
Been waiting for that all trip, huh?
I've been waiting for this exact meal on a trip.
I'm not gonna do the full setup like Daniel, but wait,
They're like, wait a minute. Oh, wow.
literally 10 entrees for 10 people.
All right, that was phenomenal. I'm pretty sure 5 years ago when Daniel and I were here in Maui with some friends, we ate at the Kihei Cafe in Kihei, and I got those exact pancakes. I'm not 100%. I need to go back and check my photos, but I'm pretty sure.
We demolished all that. I ate the chicken waffles, we shared the eggs Benedict, we ate about half the pancakes. Pretty good though.
Oh, I didn't even taste your chicken and waffles. That's
was
so
good.
unlike me.
Thankfully it's not a beach day or a pool day because I'm pretty pretty full right now.
All right, we're just gonna load up and head to do some sous vide shopping and get Brandon a shaved ice. Let's get on the bike, babe.
So, as I on my bike, yeah, just me, the open road, the hog. Really never feel more alive
Got
than
the
when I'm out
proper
here.
footwear there too.
I don't really worry about rules. I ride bikes, buddy.
What does this button do?
So I can tell you right there, that's giving me the horn of the hog. Gives a big, let you know I'm coming. If the rumble from the jungle didn't tell you, if you know what I mean. All right, hit that open road and say hi to my fellow friends. Is that what you do?
Straight in the middle, all three
Maisie, how
flavors.
is that? That's
Ooh. We got famous shave ice. I don't know what the name of the place is called. What's it called?
Ululani.
Ululani's gourmet Hawaiian
I
shave
go there.
ice. Guava, mango, coconut, snow cap, coconut ice cream at the bottom that I have yet to get to.
Oh my gosh.
We have made it to the
Nakalele.
Blow Hole. I don't know how to say it. Nakalele Blow Hole. You guys, Daniel wanted to do this more than anyone else.
Oh my gosh.
My hat keeps blowing off. I should probably just take it off, but I'm trying to shade my face a little bit here. Isn't that what the bucket hat's for?
Trying to stay out of the sun. Yeah, we're on the back of a
wearing a bucket on
motorcycle
your head?
in full sun all the time. The blowhole's awesome, guys. I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way down there. Definitely wanted to come see it. The drive up here was beautiful.
Was so beautiful. Super, super windy, but perfect weather. So I can't complain about that.
It's
The road
beautiful
on
day.
it was such an adventure. Like, I'm not even mad about it. It was just such a cool adventure. It was awesome, but we're excited. We've made it to the overlook of the blowhole. I don't know that we're gonna have enough time to hike all the way down to the blowhole, which I'm kind of sad about, but let's check out this overlook. We've got Daniel flying the drone here. The wind is a little bit insane in our membrane. That's the camera strap that's blowing in the wind. Maybe I'll grab that. I'm blowing over. I'm blowing over. It's a little bit windy out. I can't see anything. I can't even see if I'm in focus. Daniel's flying the drone, getting some beautiful shots of the blowhole down there. In this wind, it's kind of gnarly. I'm really loving it. Just the most gorgeous shoreline, epic cliffside. I'm loving it. Babe, how's the drone flying going?
It's windy, but this Mavic 3 doesn't care at all.
Really? Handling it like a boss?
Oh yeah, he's a big boy. He doesn't care at all. Kind of like the street glide on the road to Hana. Doesn't care.
They're not. I'm above them.
Bye, buddy.
Bye-bye.
He's been a good bike.
We had some fun. Look at us.
He's a little bit dirty.
Oh, don't forget this.
Oh yeah.
That's our helmet. Did we forget anything else? Now I don't know.
Just up the street glide, back off at Eagle Rider. Seriously, having that thing in Maui, Hawaii, no better place.
No, we honestly had so much fun. I mean, I loved it. I loved every second of it. We had good parking every time. We cruised in style. My thighs got more sun than they've ever gotten in their entire existence of my life. It was awesome. We had so much fun.
All right, we made it to the airport. We have full bellies, which is great because I'm really hoping to sleep on this red-eye flight.
Maybe we should have eaten here.
Maybe we should have. We got a red-eye tonight. We're taking off in a few minutes, and then we land in Salt Lake City at 6:30 a.m. So,
Which means morning nap on our way.
we're just about to board, though. It is going to be pitch black on that plane, so I'm just going to put the camera away now, and we'll see you guys in Salt Lake City.
Yay! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Come here, my little boy! Come here! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Oh, tell me all about it. Oh, tell me more. Tell me more. Oh my goodness! And then what happened? Oh my goodness! Oh, I love you. I wish you. Oh, he's crazy.
He's got a soccer ball.
Did you get a toy?
It's still your favorite pal. Really? All right, everybody. It may look like we just got home, but this is post 4-hour nap here on the couch.
Oh, it felt so good.
It was incredible.
Post 4-hour nap, post shower myself, and post bathy for Discord, who all he wants to do is play with his ball. We have been so boring since we've been home, huh, bud?
He took
and then
a nap
we made
with
you
us.
take a bathy. All we've done is sleep and bathe him. He's like, okay, I'm ready to play now. Where's your ball? Oh, get it.
Oh my god. Alright, now you get to hear that squeak the rest of this clip. Just getting a little editing done here. A lot of editing, actually. I'm a little bit behind. I'm so sorry about that. But once these release, they're going to be epic. Every single video was clearly action-packed there in Maui. I'm working on this. Chelle's got a more important task. She's figuring out what we're going to be eating in the very near future. We have not eaten anything since the airport in Maui, and it's been a little while. It was a very long time ago, so I'm very excited to figure out what we're going to be having very soon.
Where's he?
Louie. Oh, it's soccer ball! Well guys, 2 naps in and 5 cereal boxes later, we're feeling pretty good about ourselves.
I feel great. This is what our night has come to tonight, and I'm not even mad about it.
It's been an exhausting day.
We are so, I think that trip just like wiped us out in general. But then the red eye, you had the red eye on top of already just being exhausted from an insanely awesome island getaway. And every time we sit down to start editing, we fall asleep.
Can't keep my eyes open. It's crazy.
Both of us. It's so bad. It's so bad.
I usually sleep pretty good on planes too, but for whatever reason, I did not
Yeah.
sleep on that one.
I
My
didn't
butt
either.
went numb every every time I like adjusted after like 5 minutes, it's like I gotta move. And I could not sleep.
Yeah, no.
But boy, did I sleep good on our couch today.
Oh yeah, we have knocked out. I think we've taken 2 naps, both multiple hours long. And
I
it
don't
has
remember
felt
the last
amazing.
time I've done that. It felt so good.
And I'm still really tired right now, and I feel like I'm just gonna sleep like a baby tonight in my own bed.
I know.
Pretty excited about that, but first we gotta do some damage on this cereal because after tomorrow, after tonight, we can't do this anymore. We feel so gross.
Tonight's a different story.
Tonight is just a wash night.
Yeah, Louie agrees.
Do you think tonight should be a freebie night where we just do whatever the heck we want and we sleep and eat lots of sugary cereal?
You like the sound of that?
Because that's going to make us feel better.
Guys, thank you for watching. That trip was epic.
It was awesome.
Loved having the Harley Davidson out there. Loved being out there with This Is How We Bingham. Loved all the underwater adventures. It was
Yeah, we had lots of them.
It was just incredible.
It was a ton of fun. It was non-stop, hence the exhaustion over here. Like, it was non-stop for 7 days straight. Plus, the Harley factor, I feel like, adds to a lot of exhaustion, too.
It definitely takes a little more out of you than riding in an air-conditioned car, like, for sure. You're out in the sun.
And it just takes a lot more, like, thought and effort and stuff, I feel like, to do a motorcycle
Brain
rather
power.
than just, like, sitting in a car. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, it was incredible, you guys. We absolutely loved it. We love you all. Thank you so much for those of you that have made it to the end of all of our videos. You have no idea how much it means to us. We actually have some kind of exciting things coming up that we're not going to share too much with you right now. We've had more than our fair share of roadblocks, but the roads seem to be clear now, so that was
Definitely gonna have to be explained later. But guys, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time.